To being a cheerleader is exercising love and imparting knowledge and also imparting the core values.
The essence of being a cheerleader is being humble in spite of all your achievements in life.
Many of us have different opinions about the essence of being a cheerleader. But we are here to tell you the essence of being a true Unorian. One is Marian attitude. Second, being friendly. Third is being helpful. Fourth is being respectful. Hi, Eric. Good morning.
Hey, Jarlene, I already know what is the essence of being true Unorian.
Okay, that's good.
Once again, I am Mary Grace Santa Cruz.
And I'm Jordan